Hello. If you are working in your Flutter project and you have that kind of error, okay, and you need to install your pod, for example, here, and you can see that you have that problem. This is so easy to fix. In this case, pod the integrate and it will not work because you need to do a more deep delete. So my recommendation is to go to your iOS folder, then enter to runner. Sorry, remove Podfile.lock file. Okay, and if you can see here the pod folder, just remove that folder too. Okay, then you can return to your terminal and write again Firestore, and you will be able to continue installing all your dependencies in pod. It is very easy. Okay, just remove Podfile.lock and your pod folder and will be fixed. Okay, it is not with pod the integrate is not the it's not enough to work or do that task. Okay, bye.